Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can self-host N8N on Hostinger. So first, you just have to open your Hostinger, and from here, you just have to choose your plan. So in this case, we're going to be choosing this one, which is the most popular. So just tap on choose plan. Now after that, you just have to select location for your new VPS. So once you're done putting it there, you just have to tap on continue and you will be redirected in here once you're done with that. So from here, you just have to tap on that search button and then search for the N8N just like this, and then just go ahead and tap on that N8N result. After that, just go ahead and tap on select. Then from here, just go ahead and create your root password. Then once you're done, just go ahead and tap on continue at the very bottom. Then just confirm by tapping on continue again. After that, you will be redirected in here. And then once you're here, just have to tap on this manage app. So this one, just have to tap on this one. Then you have to set up your owner account. So go ahead and put here your email, your first name, last name, and then password. So once you're done filling out all these information, just go ahead and tap on next at the very bottom. And then first you just have to put here your email so you can receive your license key. So once you're done filling out your email, just tap on send me. And then that's it. You can now put here or do workflows, whatever you want. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.